I am going to officially endorse one of the party in Jamaica. Them can't pay me if you talk. Them can't pay me for come on my Facebook. Me talk because guess what happened? Me look on the two party and me make my decision of what's best for the country. Right? Me need better for the country and me talk better for the country. Now for the last 4 years, job system have been down. For the last 4 years, farmers have been losing. For the last 4 years, we still don't have a airline like we're supposed to have like Air Jamaica. For the last 4 years, the engine still can't find a Jeep. For the last 4 years, the education system have been done because there's not a proper measure in place for the young generation. For the last 4 years, how many kids have been raped and murdered for the last 4 years? For the last 4 years, how many kids have been infected with a disease or with an infection under the 4 years? How many? How many? Remember how many? Seeing? For the last 4 years, how much money we have get for Jamaica that you don't see where the money go? For the last 4 years, how many money the Prime Minister of Jamaica right now burying a Switzerland account? For the last 4 years, where have we been? Have we any better? Well, I'm telling something, people. I'm telling the real truth. We need somebody who educated. We need somebody as a family. When you go to them and sit down and talk to them, them can relate to you and them can give you the best advice. You need somebody who's going to lead you to the right place, but not lead you astray. The Prime Minister of Jamaica right now, I like a pit bull. I like a chihuahua. You understand? Lot of promise. Nothing deliver. Some of you people have been bought out for some little things where me have to even wonder if you not think. Now, Andrew Holness lose the election before because he was too honest. He was too educated to a lot of you. He was too smart. And you guys never ready for the change 4 years ago. Well, now is the time to make that change. Now is the time for us to make the right decision. We need Uno to make the right decision this time. Right? Uno crying so you want a better Jamaica? Now is the chance. But let me tell you something. Andrew Wallace are very smart. Very educated. Very into family. And it is about Jamaica people. Right? The green stand for victory. The green stand for money. The green stand for a better school system. The green stand for a better way out for all of Jamaican. The green stand for education. You understand? Because Andrew Wallace is so smart and so educated. Portia Simpson, I'm sorry you're the Prime Minister, but you're not smart. Listen, you have a human body, a big body, but you have the brain of a baby. You have the brain of a baby that don't even reach 1 yet. Are not smart, not educated, so stupid that as a woman, I expected you to represent Jamaica. I expected you to make sure you stand up and fight and make sure that the rapist of Jamaica brought to justice. Especially when it comes to little girls, them, Portia. You did not do that. I know Andrew Wallace can do better than you. You know what? I'm smart. And he want a better Jamaica. Portia Simpson, look at the baby them that die under your time. Right? The road that you're talking about, that bill and job and all that. Portia, the road and all that started before you was in power. All of this was in place before. Yes, I give you credit for some of them to finish while you're in power. Right? But Portia, how many things you have promised to people and not deliver? You're giving 5 chicken, $1,000 to family. After they raise the chicken and sell them, then dead for hunger for the next couple of years, then you've been in power. Come on. As a woman, you should have represented more. People, I know and I feel that if you don't vote for Andrew Wallace, we are going to be in a better place than we are today. We're going to head in the right direction. Our kids is going to be happy. Our kids are going to be well educated. And we can afford to send our people to go to school. Right? The minimum wages going to change. You understand? A lot of things going to change. A lot of the rape and murder we are going to Jamaica going to change. Portia, as a woman, you did not do enough to protect the young generation. The children are the future. But you did not bring them in the future. You bring them back into the past. That's what you did. You understand? You're supposed to empower it and bring it forward. But you bring it back. When you see people like Robert Peters Gillen being in power, from Wapi till Joy and so forth, people look at the system. PMP have not done nothing for Jamaica for the last 4 years they've been in power. But nothing but more debt. We in more financial debt. And we should not be in debt because guess what happened? We have got enough money and enough grant to better our country. So many things have happened under this woman time. I'm going to really go and sit down and take another 5 chicken, another $5,000, and some clothes, and we sweep up the road, and get one case of beer put in a shop, and they're really going to do that and determine for the next 4 years of separation? Or they go and put yourself in that? People, make the right decision and vote for JLP. Yeah? Reggae artist Dr. Love endorsing JLP. People, it's not a matter of labor right. It's not a matter of PMP. It's a matter of what's right for the country, and it's a matter of what's right for the future. You see what I say? Andrew Holness, he's the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, and he's going to win 98%. He's going to win 98% of the vote in Jamaica. Right? So all that people will get money for go half a tree, for go march there and hope they are carrying and so forth. A lot of you are such a hypocrite. And people, did you know that a lot of people them was out there is labor right? Did you know that? A lot of who was in that party out there, they are labor right. But as always, I love the labor right. And you know what? Labor right will take the money from you and take the food from you. At the end of the day, they are standing their ground. They are standing their ground. So them take the money and they eat it, and they go there and make you feel good. But when Portia say, JLP go and get a whipping, Portia, you go and get more than whipping. And if any woman in Jamaica get up and go give you them vote, them is just as a pit bull and a chihuahua just like you. Any woman in Jamaica vote for you. You know why? Because you're a disgrace to female. You're a disgrace to the young girl when we are come up. You're a disgrace to the young little boy when we are come up. We don't have nothing to protect them, Portia. Nothing. Because you never put none in place. I'm asking Andrew Holness when he become the Prime Minister, change the consent law to 18 from what it is now. Deal with the consent law, deal with education, deal with the prison system, and deal with the police force in Jamaica. Those are the 4 important things that we know that we're going to be on the way. Right? Deal with that. We want you to bring family together, not bring us apart like Portia did. Portia bring all of us apart. Portia make mother hate them pitney, father hate them pitney, daughter hate mother and father. She make everything separate because guess what happened? She never build that family thing with us. She was about the vote and she was about the money. That's all she was about. Well, Portia, you have get 4 years. 4 years and you have not delivered. The Jeep still can't find an engine. And Andrew, if you have a truck, because I hope you don't use the word Jeep, me know it I go have a good engine tonight. Me know it I go have an engine for the next 4 years. That truck going to be in the driving position. Farmers going to happy that them can farm and them stuff can sell. Farmers going to be in a better position. Kids can walk free on road. And not worry about nobody drive them because guess what happened? You're going to have the right system in place. The last system going to change. That means if a man molests a boy or a girl child, the penalty and the price them going to pay are not going to be easy. Those are things I want you to take up in your hands when you go in power. Don't make promises that you can't fulfill. And so far, all the promises you have made, I know they're going to fulfill. Because if none of them fulfill, remember, I same one will come and bash you. Right? But I believe in you because you're very educated. We need a person who can run Jamaica that's educated. We need a person that can really teach us with ABC. Portia Simpson, I'm sorry, you cannot teach us ABC because you don't know ABC. Right? You know what you come like? You come like a picture frame. A man with them woman beat 24/7 and just stand up in the middle and just take the beat and can't do nothing. You're like a picture frame. We don't want a picture frame anymore. We want something that can circulate and something that can move. We need something that can run. We need something that can connect. We need something that can draw us back together. We need something that when England look at us, they can say, yes, they're in a better position than they was 4 years ago. And people, JLP is the way to go. And from now, starting today, right, the music will be promoting the Yama page, but I will be endorsing JLP all the way. JLP all the way. Because guess what happened? We need somebody educated, as I said, and somebody better to run the country. So Andrew Holness, you have my support. You have my vote. You have all the support from Dr. Love. And I will make sure that, I will try my best to make sure that friends and families and fans can go that their election, they make the right decision. That means that you can take us to a better place for the next 4 years. People, make the right decision. We don't want to be in our way in. We don't want to get up and say a little 5-year-old baby get murdered again. And when they get murdered and the person that go to jail just go sit down and nothing happen. No man, we need that system. We need to root out all of the bad police and the bad soldiers. We need to root out all of the bad politicians them. We need justice for all the crime that committed. Portia, I know you never got and put a gun on somebody head, but at the end of the day, you are the Prime Minister. You should have made the right decision as a female. But you are a letdown to female. And any female vote for you, they are just as bad as you. Dr. Love endorsing JLP, Andrew Wellness, for the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. Victory is ours, and we're going to get victory. We're going to get victory. This month is Victory Month. For the rest of the year, Victory Month. For the next year, Victory Month. For the next year, Victory Month. It's a victory. Labour right all the way. Andrew Wellness, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. Dr. Love endorsed that. Big up on yourself. Member, heads of government.